guys, it's Melissa. In this video, I am unboxing the XTool M1 Premium Material Package, which is an add-on that you can add to the Craft Laser Engraver and Cutter. So it comes with a whole bunch of different materials that you can use to sample. So you get a bag, you get some wood pieces, you get some vinyl and HTV, a bunch of metal slates, different things like that that you can use to test all of the different functions of the M1, which in theory is a good idea. However, I will tell you that after unboxing this and checking out all of these materials, I really am not convinced that this is worth it. So this package is about $95, $100, and most of the stuff in here, if you're a crafter, you probably already have vinyl, you probably already have HTV, you probably already have sticker sheets. So while it boasts more than 100 different materials and things, when 40 of them are pieces of sticker material, I don't know, I think I would rather pass. You can also see the quality here, not the best, just the way it's packaged. So yes, I highly suggest that you buy some things to test on instead of, a $20 tumbler. Definitely go to the dollar store, go, pick up some inexpensive things on Amazon, but I would not probably recommend investing in this package. I think it's just a lot of stuff for a lot of money, and what they do include, I didn't find to be the best of quality. So I will, again, I can't reiterate how important it is going to be for you to test, but I don't think this package is worth it for the testing.